Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
ProfitTweet review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we will be talking about this software called ProfitTweet. So this is the ProfitTweet review, and right now we are on the sales page here. And then we have the demo video, which is 3.5 minutes long. So we'll get back to the demo video. Right now on the sales page, it says, send unlimited messages straight to the phones, tablets, and computers of millions for a low one-time price. Brand new email killer. Twitter autoresponder lets you email, tweet, and blast any link to millions of people in seconds. Say goodbye to inconsistent email marketing platforms, list building traffic software, unlimited cloud-based Twitter autoresponder messaging machine. Send any message with any link or offer to 3 billion plus people in 180 countries. Get 98% open rate from people glued to their phones. Email, tweet, or direct message to millions. Instantly import unlimited contacts and start emailing plus messaging in seconds. No email contacts or Twitter profile. The software gets red hot. Twitter leads for you on autopilot. Say goodbye to boring list. It's never ending. Who is gonna... Oh my god, this is bullshit, okay? I thought there will be only few lines, but they are never ending. So why to waste my time and breath on this? So step 1, 2, 3 is garbage. You know what is the meaning of garbage? The meaning of garbage is ProfitTweet, or anything which is sold on this website called Warrior Plus. So anything which you buy from Warrior Plus, that is called garbage, okay? So have you paid for buying the garbage in your life? You must have paid many times. You must have purchased something from this website called warriorplus.com. So when you pay on this website in order to buy something, technically you're paying to buy the garbage. And that garbage might not be visible inside your house because this garbage is going to get collected into your computer inside your emails. Okay, go and check your emails and just search for the emails from Warrior Plus. How many products you have purchased from Warrior Plus? Just go and check your emails. So I will not worry about the technical part here. This is all scam. Okay, you see the screenshots? These screenshots of the money here. This money was made by selling you these kind of shitty products over and over again. Okay, so you see here, nobody has got any intention to help you, because if they had any intention to help you, they will say, okay, go buy my software in $15, and they will leave you alone. But they are not leaving you alone because they want to make money from you. They want to feed on your flesh. Okay, so they will ask you to go and buy this, maybe this, then maybe this, then this, and then maybe this, and then surely this, right? So they will not leave you alone. They want your money. That's all they want. Okay, so don't worry. What is this ProfitTweet? I will leave the link of this demo video below my video. You can see the demo video, but you will get nothing out of this. These people are scammers. They're bastards. Okay, they will rip you off rest of their life because this is what they do. If they don't do this, then they don't make money. Okay, let me finish with the sales page, then I will show you proofs what I'm talking about, right? I always talk with facts and proofs. I am not just here giving you jargon. So let's go through some frequently asked questions. All these faces which you see, they're all scammers. They're a bunch of scammers, nothing more, okay? And what else do we have here? So we do. Frequently asked questions. Is ProfitTweet cloud-based? Yes, ProfitTweet is based on the cloud. Walk outside your house, go on the street where you live, look up in the sky. This ProfitTweet is based right there, the cloud which you have above your head. Okay, does ProfitTweet work for any niche? You mother, it does. Does Profit cost a monthly fee? No, it does not cost a monthly fee because they will go and ask you to pay this, all of this. Okay, so you pay them all of this, and then they will come back after 2 weeks with some they will come back again with another shitty product, and they'll sell you one more new thing in the name of making money online. Okay, so maybe God bless you. Okay, God bless you. Is commercial as if it matters? Do I need tech skills? Yeah, you don't, because you're a dumbass. Is support and training included? Get out from here. Get the hell out of here. Okay, 30 days money back guarantee. I don't know why are you here. I don't know why I'm recording this video. Oh, I know why I'm recording this video. Actually, I am recording this YouTube video so that I can help you to save your money first and then show you how to make real money, okay? Because in this video, I'm asking you or telling you or begging you not to buy this. Because if you buy this, you will lose your 30-40 bucks with pleasure today if you buy this. Maybe whenever you buy this. It's launching on, I guess, 22nd. Let me check the date. Date is 22nd, yes. So it is launching on 22nd. I'm doing an early review. Don't buy this. That's all I want to say. And how do you make real money? The real money is not into some software, okay? You just have to go below my YouTube video here and you will find some links. The first link says make money with Traffic Jarvis, okay? Now this Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money the rest of your life on YouTube. Do not miss this line. Rest of your life, as long YouTube is active, YouTube is here in this world, you will be able to make money on YouTube with the Traffic Jarvis rest of your life if you are ready to work, okay? So for example, the practical proof, is me here. I am recording this YouTube video. I am not asking you to buy anything from me, but still this video is making money for me. You don't know how? Because you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos in the beginning or somewhere, right? So these ads make me money, whether I sell you something or not, whether you buy something from me or not, these ads still make me money. You need to do the same thing for yourself. You can go and start making these videos after getting your YouTube channel monetized, and for that you will need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which you will be able to get only in 2 weeks with the help of Traffic Jarvis. So what are you waiting for here? Just go and make your money with Traffic Jarvis, and I'll explain everything in detail in the end. For now, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, leave your question or super comments actually. Now you can leave your super thanks here. Your comments can be in colorful. If you want to leave red, blue, green colored comments, you can use the super thanks button, and also you can support this channel if you like, okay? But subscribe is free, like is free, you can always do that, right? Now let's get back here. Sales page was done, and I will show you the intentions of these people. So if I go to overview here and click on their profile, you will see that these people had been launching these kind of low quality garbage products, entire their career, 42 products so far, okay? And it's pretty logical here that are these 42 products not making money? Why do we need the 43rd product now? You look at this here, 2,000 sales, 7,500 sales. Look at these idiots, 7,500 plus idiots in the world buying this garbage. You could be one of them, I don't know. You might have purchased ProfitTweet from this guy. Who knows? If you did, then you are a very smart person. At least I cannot match your skills, okay? Your skill is to get scammed, and my skill is to avoid people from getting scammed. So we are a mismatch to each other, okay? Your hobby, your skill is to go out there and buy some garbage every other week and get scammed. That's your skill. I don't have that skill. My skill is to save money from people or save money for people, okay? So yeah, the point is that if they really wanted to help you, they will have 1 or 2 products which will actually make money for people, and then you will never need to have a 3rd product in rest of your life. Are you getting what I'm saying? If I tell you go and do this and you will make money, then you will not have to worry about doing something else, because what you're doing is making money for you. So why do we need all these products over and over again? For what? For what? Just don't buy this, okay? I'm sick and tired of this. And you see here, again, one more proof here. If their intention was to help you only, they'll ask you to pay me 17 bucks and then walk away. But they're not walking away. They want to walk away with this. They want to make as much money from you, like, what we say, scale off your skin from your body. Scale off your skin, right? Yeah, just like you scale off the fish skin, the same way they want to rip you apart and feed on your flesh, because these people are parasites, mother idiots. These are scammers, bastards. I can't use more, words, but yeah, I know how it feels to you. Does it? Do you have any emotions about being scammed? What comes in your heart and mind? I can wind up the review. I don't have anything else to talk. I will show the demo video. But are you emotionless? I mean, when you buy some garbage on the internet or when you get scammed, I mean, how do you react? I want to know. Leave your comments. How do you react when you later on find out that you have paid for some garbage? How do you react when you find out later on that you have been scammed? What is your reaction? My reaction is in front of you. You go and watch my videos. My reaction is all over the internet, all over YouTube. I express myself in every video. I'm not holding myself back. So I want to know, maybe you can go and tell me in the comments, how do you feel? How do you feel when somebody makes you buy some garbage? Leave your comments. And then we have to go and talk about otos, right? Why do I have to talk about otos? Because that's part of the review. Otherwise, I have no intentions. So this is front end, this is upgrade 1, this is upgrade 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see 8 upgrades. Nobody here has any intention on Warrior Plus to help you, so save yourself, okay? And the demo video is right here. So what I will do is, look at this. What are you gonna do? Post something on Twitter? Just don't bother about this, okay? I will go and leave the link of this demo video below my YouTube video somewhere here. So it will be saying watch ProfitTweet demo here. Click on that link and that link will take you to this video. Watch the video for 3 minutes and save your 30 bucks. It is better to go and waste your 3-4 minutes of your life rather than wasting 30-40 bucks, okay? Just help yourself, right? You will find this demo video link, watch the demo and then don't buy. Because all this garbage doesn't make any single penny. Okay, if you are a newbie or experienced or in between, okay, first things first, I am not recording this YouTube video for me. I do not have to tell myself that TubeCore don't buy this. TubeCore knows what to buy, what not to. These videos are for you people. So your obligation, your responsibility towards me is that you have to go and subscribe to this channel. It's free. Like the video, whether you like me or not, your responsibility is to like the video. These videos are not for me, it's for you. These videos are for you. I'm not gonna buy anything from Warrior Plus, I know that. I am recording these videos for you, whosoever you are, wherever you are. This video is helping you to save money, not me. So just do the needful. Subscribe, like, and leave super comments if you want to. And now I will show you the real deal. Why am I making this video? Why is it going to help you? Because you see all these links here, and especially this one, make money with traffic Jarvis. This is going to help you to make money the rest of your life. Okay? Want to know how? Watch this. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube traffic Jarvis. So this traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says, get Kiss Tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss Tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kiss Tracking training. And this Kiss Tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.